Hello, everyone. Welcome to Clara Daily English. Let's learn and practice together.
Are we there yet? I am very tired.
I am not sure, Leo. We are almost there. Oh no. This is bad. The GPS is completely stuck.
Stuck? Is the phone broken, Arthur? We can stop here.
I am nervous, Mom. Are we lost in the country? Lost? Wow! This is a great adventure! Let's discover things!
There is no signal here. I cannot see the map.
Nature is very beautiful today. Breathe slowly and just look. Don't worry. I have a secret. Look at this map.
A secret map? It looks very ancient. Like a treasure.
That old map? Grandfather drew it 20 years ago, Clara.
Yes, but Grandfather knew this area perfectly. It is safe.
I am scared. The sun is going down very fast. Scared? Do not be scared, Leo. We are brave explorers.
I do not understand this. What is this wavy line?
That is the oak tree path. We just need help.
Help? Can someone help us? We are really completely lost. Listen. Do you hear that? It is a loud mystery.
Yes, I hear. Someone is coming down the road.
Look! A green tractor. The mystery is solved.
Solved? Yes, maybe he can help us.
Hello? We are lost. Can you help us?
Lost? Do not be scared. I can help.
Thank you. Where is the White House? Grandfather Miller's house.
Grandfather Miller? I know that ancient secret well.
You know it? Are we really safe now?
Safe? Yes, little boy. You are very safe.
That is great. Which way should we go?
Take the oak tree path. It is beautiful.
The oak tree path? I see it now.
Let's discover the path. We are brave explorers.
Thank you very much. We are very grateful.
Have a beautiful trip. The house is near.
Are we ready? Let's find the White House.
Ready! Ready! I want to see the old house.
The shade is very peaceful. This feels great.
Yes, very peaceful. A map is a treasure.
Look ahead. I see something in the light.
The road is very bumpy here. Hold on tightly.
Bumpy? It is okay. The forest is very peaceful today.
Mom, the shadows are moving. I feel a little nervous.
Nervous. Shadows can move slowly, Leo. That is perfectly normal.
Yes, shadows are fun. Maybe they hide an ancient secret.
Oh no! The phone fell down! Are you all safe?
Safe?
Yes, we are perfectly safe. The phone is fine.
That is good. We must be very careful driving here.
Look at the falling leaf. The nature is very beautiful.
Beautiful? Yes, the leaf is yellow. I like the forest. Beautiful? Yes, the leaf is yellow. I like the forest. Are we close? I want to discover the White House.
Wait. There are two roads here. I am stuck again.
Stuck? Let me check our special treasure map right now. We must go left, Arthur. The map is very clear.
Go left? Okay, I trust the old map.
Thank you.
Yay! We are very brave explorers. Let's go left now.
Here we go. We are driving on the left road.
Look at that beautiful light. The dark forest is ending.
Wow. I see a roof. We finally discovered the house.
Discover the house?
Yes, Mia. We finally found it today.
The ancient map is wonderful. We found the house.
Found the house?
Yes, we did.
You are amazing.
It is very peaceful here. I feel completely safe now. Safe? Yes! This beautiful house is our big treasure.
Look at those flowers. The house is very beautiful.
Beautiful? Yes, it is. The silence is very nice too. My smartphone was completely stuck today. It is funny.
Stuck? Yes, but we were brave. We found the way.
Brave? We were a great team. Let's go outside now. First, we were totally lost. Then we found the path.
Our secret map was great. I am not nervous now. Nervous? We are very brave. I will discover the garden.
The wind is so peaceful here. Breathe slowly, my family.
Peaceful? Look! Someone is opening the big front door now. Hello. You finally found my house. I am very proud.
Proud? Yes! Grandpa, your ancient map is a great treasure.
Treasure? Yes, it is. We are so happy to arrive.
Come here. My beautiful family. I missed you very much. Safe?
Yes.
My boy? You are a brave explorer now. Brave?
We had a big adventure. It was a mystery.
Well, we were completely stuck first. Stuck? Yes. My phone had no signal at the crossroad.
No signal?
It was very quiet. I was scared at first.
Scared? But then we used your ancient map, Grandfather. Look,
My ancient map? You actually kept this old secret paper?
Secret paper? It saved us. A nice farmer helped too. Oh no! Where is my small green backpack? It is lost!
Lost? Take a deep breath, Mia. We will find it.
Find it? Let me check near the dusty family car.
The car? I can look near the beautiful flowers, Dad.
Beautiful flowers? Look closely near the main door, my dear.
Near the door? I see it. It is completely safe. Completely safe. I am sorry for being nervous, Mom.
nervous? It is okay. Everything is perfect and peaceful now. Nervous? It is okay. Everything is perfect and peaceful now.
Peaceful now? Good. Let's go inside the house for dinner.
Dinner? The food smells very beautiful and warm.
Warm? Yes, this house holds our best memories.
Memories? Look at all these ancient things. Wow.
Ancient things? The fire is very beautiful and warm.
Beautiful and warm? Sit down. Tell me about your journey.
Our journey? First, my modern phone was completely stuck.
Stuck? Yes, we stopped. I was really scared.
Scared? But we used your ancient map. It was amazing.
Amazing? We met a nice farmer. He said we are safe.
The map is very special. It is a real treasure.
Safe? Yes. You asked for help. That was very brave.
Brave? We learned a lot. People are the best map.
The best map? Yes. Asking simple questions is a great secret.
The clock is very slow. I am happy we are here.
A great secret? I am sleepy now. Good night, Grandpa.
Good night. Yes, sleep well. Tomorrow we discover more beautiful things.
Beautiful things?
I am ready for tomorrow. We are a team.
A team? Yes, a very brave team. The stars are bright.
Bright? Very bright. We will always find our way home safely.
When technology is stuck, people help. People are a treasure.
A treasure? Yes. You can always ask a friendly person.
A friendly person? Yes. They are the best map ever.
The best map? Use simple words. Say, where is the house? Where is the house? People will proudly show you the way.
The way? Yes. You will finally discover your beautiful destination.
Beautiful destination? Yes. But the best treasure is a safe family.
Safe family? Yes. We are very proud of our brave children.
Brave children? We are great explorers. We love this peaceful place.
Peaceful place? Always remember to ask nicely. Goodbye, my friends.
Goodbye, safe family. See you on the next journey.
Subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff. Stay safe and keep learning.